Hey friends, welcome back. It is day 10. I'm super excited for y'all to try this one. We're going to incorporate a little bit of everything we've learned in this 10-day series. And if you want to meet on your mat, we can get started. If you don't have time to check this video out right now, add it to your watch later and you can enjoy it another time when you do have time. Alrighty, y'all, so we'll begin today standing at the top of your mat. Mountain pose, and right away here just really feel your feet grounding into the earth and start syncing up with your breath. So we'll take a big deep breath in and a nice long breath out. We're going to inhale, sweep the fingertips up and overhead, big full body stretch. Exhale, rain it down, forward fold. Inhale, lift up halfway. And exhale to fold. Lead with the fingertips, root your eyes. Inhale, we reach it up. And exhale, hands to heart. We're going to scooch the feet together now, just a little itty bitty space in between the heels. We're going to start to anchor our weight in the sole of the right foot and inhale, lift this left knee up, standing one-legged Tadasana. And here you can roll the ankle back and forth or flex the foot a little bit. Stay connected to your breath. Dropping any thought. Just waking up the feet. We'll take a big deep breath in. Exhale, we're going to kick this left foot back. Send the fingertips back, warrior three. Crown of the head reaching forward, really lifting up from the inner left thigh. Big deep breath in. Exhale, we're going to send this left foot back, pivot on the heel, and inhale, sweep the fingertips up, warrior one. So front knee over front ankle, take a big deep breath here. And exhale, relax the shoulders. Big, beautiful deep breath in. Exhale, open it up, warrior two. And big deep breath in here. And a nice long exhale out. We'll flip this front palm, draw it forward, up and back, peaceful warrior. Inhale in as we open through the chest. Exhale, right fingertips are going to come down and swim behind the tail to interlace with the left. We'll draw the knuckles back and lead with your heart center as we send the crown of the head towards the earth. Knuckles draw up towards the sky, humble warrior. Big deep breath in. Nice long breath out. Let the pose unfold for you with the breath. A big inhale. And exhale, we'll power through this front foot. Start to lift it up. Release the bind. Inhale, sweep the fingertips up and overhead. Warrior one. Big deep breath in. Exhale, we're going to rain the fingertips down. We're going to plant this right palm as we lift off the back leg. And inhale, send the left fingertips up towards the sky. And if you fumble for a moment, that's okay. Everybody does it. We're not here to be perfect, just here to have an experience. Half moon. Big deep breath in. Nice long breath out. With the exhale, we'll bring the left fingertips back to the ground. Left foot meets the right. Forward fold. Inhale to lift up halfway here. Nice long neck. And exhale to fold. Root your eyes, lead with your fingertips. Inhale, we reach it up. And exhale, hands to heart. Awesome work, y'all. Big deep breath in. Nice long breath out. Fingertips come down to come up. Inhale, reach it up. And exhale, rain it down. Plant your palms, step it back. Plank pose, big deep breath in. Exhale, belly to cobra or chaturanga to up dog. Move with your breath. We'll meet in downward facing dog. And you can pedal it out here for a breath or two. Big inhale in. And nice long exhale out. We'll inhale, carve a line with your nose, look forward. And exhale, make your way back to the top. Forward fold, inhale to lift up halfway. Exhale, fold inward. Root to rise, lead with your fingertips as we inhale, reach it up. And exhale, hands to heart. Awesome work. Let's take it to the other side now. Anchoring our weight through our left foot, we'll inhale, lift this right knee up high. And same thing on the side. You can point and flex through the feet or draw some circles with the ankles. Just slow, gentle movement. Big, deep breath in. And exhale, let something go. Whenever you're ready, we'll release the hands. Kick this right foot back as we send our heart center towards the earth. Crown of the head reaching forward. Fingertips reaching back. Big, deep breath in. And nice long breath out. Warrior 3, really press up and away from the earth. Inhale in. Exhale, step these back toes back. We'll pivot on the back foot. Inhale, sweep the fingertips up and overhead. Warrior 1. Big, deep breath in. Exhale, open it up, warrior 2. Inhale in here. Exhale, flip this front palm, draw it forward, up and back, peaceful warrior. Big, deep breath in as we feel this opening in the left side body. Exhale, left fingertips will swim down to meet the right. We'll interlace the fingertips, draw your knuckles back, big deep breath in. Exhale starts to send the crown of the head towards the earth. Knuckles draw up towards the sky, humble warrior. Keep that bend in the front knee over front ankle, and really pressing into the outer edge of your back foot. Hug the low ribs in, big deep breath in. And a nice long breath out. Keep those knuckles drawing up towards the sky. Inhale in. And with this exhale, we'll power through this front foot as we rise back up. Release the bind. Inhale, sweeps fingertips up and overhead. Big deep breath in. Exhale, we'll pivot this back foot. Left palm comes to the earth as we lift the right leg, and inhale, reach the right fingertips up towards the sky, half moon. Big deep breath in, and a long breath out. Big inhale in, and exhale, nice and slow. We release right foot to the earth, right fingertips to the earth. We meet in forward fold. Inhale to lift up halfway. Exhale to fold. Root to rise. Inhale, we reach it up. And exhale, hands to heart. We'll scooch the feet to the outer edges of the mat now. Toes can spill off. Nice and easy. We'll start to bend the knees. Send your center down. Coming through our yogi squat one more time in the series. Really dig your elbows into your knees and vice versa. Sit up nice and tall and find this lift through the pelvic floor. Big, beautiful, deep breath in. And a nice long breath out. One more big breath in here. And exhale, nice and slow. We'll swim the fingertips around. Come through to a seat. We'll bring the feet about a foot away from the hips. Send the fingertips out straight. Lean back and lift off with the feet. Boat pose. Big deep breath in here. And a nice long breath out. Keep lifting up through the legs. Keep that core hugging in. Big deep breath in. Exhale, let something go. We'll be here for one more big deep breath in. And exhale, nice and slow. We'll release feet to the earth. You can bring your fingertips down and make your way down to your back, nice and easy. We'll plant the palms at our sides. Big deep breath in. Exhale, walk the feet up towards the sit bones. Inhale in here. And exhale, start to lift the hips up towards the sky, bridge pose. Lifting our chest to our chins and our chins up towards the sky. Gazes straight up. And think like you're squeezing a block between the thighs. I know I've said that before. It's just always a good reminder and good picture to have. Big deep breath in. And let something go with the exhale. If you want one last challenge, maybe you really anchor the weight through the left heel and inhale. Lift your right leg up high. Big deep breath in. Exhale, nice and slow. We'll release it. And take it to the other side, anchoring weight through the right foot. We'll inhale, lift this left leg up high. Big deep breath in. And exhale, let it go. We'll take one more big breath in here. And exhale to release the hips. We can hug the knees into the chest for a moment. Rock a little side to side. Whatever feels right, stay connected to your breath. Big deep breath in. Exhale, we're going to cross the feet and rock up to a seat. Awesome work, y'all. We'll bring the palms together, thumbs up to the third eye. I hope y'all have a great day. Namaste. And thank you again, friends. I really hope you enjoyed this series. If you want to see more content like this and check out other series, head over to our app, Yoga Plus. Lots of really great stuff on there, and I hope to see you there.
Welcome to Yoga Plus. Courses available from pupil to yogi. Sort by yoga, fitness, and instructors. Create your own routines. Access the Pose Library. Yoga Plus by Psyche Truth, available on Google Play and the App Store.
Join us for 14 and 30-day programs, hour-long classes, and much more on our yoga app, Yoga Plus by Psyche Truth. It's free to download and features a variety of wellness content, including yoga, fitness, Pilates, guided meditations, and interviews with dozens of wellness experts.